gonna cut this. These ones, the giblets, I like to cut them in smaller pieces. To tell you the truth, I'm not very big fan of giblets, but it works well with this dish, so that's why it's good to put some. So smaller pieces. Now with the heart, I just, what I do, I just take them, just cut them in half. Cut them in half. From the heart, sometimes I like to just get rid of the fat little bit. The liver just like, this is a bit smaller pieces because it's a bit big. Not too small. They will melt anyway. So. Some of them will melt, some of them won't. I have everything ready to start cooking. We'll start by putting onions. The onions, I don't put all of them now. I will put half of it. Later I will put like almost done, then I will put the rest of the onions. So that's because this onion will normally melt. Then you can put the curry leaves. So all this that I'm putting is mainly to give the oil some flavor. The chili too, same thing with the onion. I'm not gonna put all of them. Maybe I have like 3 chilies. I cut them in half, so you can see. This is very spicy, so because I'm gonna put the garam masala in that, this is already gonna be. So if you want to not to put the chilies, that would gonna be fine. But I like my food. This one especially, this dish, I like it very spicy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook the giblet first, the heart a little bit after, and the liver last, because the liver cooks very quick. The giblets need to be cooked a little bit more than the rest. So once our onion is a bit getting ready, I'm gonna put the giblets. Maybe 1 full spoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon. And ginger, and maybe like half. It doesn't really matter, you can put more or less. The taste will still be awesome. Perfect. You can also put the stem side of the coriander. The rest I will put last. The thyme, I have dry thyme. The first time of course will be even better, but this will do. After the thyme, after you put some thyme, let it cook a little bit. Playing with the fire, increase it, put it down. And put the garam masala. I will put 3 spoons like that. It's a bit hot, but It's up to you. You can put less if you want. It's good you let your spices fry a little bit. You can even add the salt. The salt is just, I will put some more maybe later. But it's by taste. Little bit cumin powder. In Mauritius, normally we don't put the garam masala. It's mainly the cumin when they make the dish. But I tried to put the garam masala last time and it worked. It was good. I liked it, so that's why I'm putting it again. So the cumin. Now we're gonna add the liver, not the liver, the heart actually. I increase my fire high temperature and put the liver because the heart is still cold, so it will cool down the fire. So you can just increase the fire. You can even put the giblets together with the heart. It's up to you. I prefer to put the giblet first because I like the giblets to be cooked a bit more than the heart. You know? But some people will put the giblet and the liver together. That's fine as well. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not very big fan of giblets, but with this dish, it really worked out. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook maybe like 2 minutes or so, and we'll be back. Okay, so now it's been cooking for like 2 minutes. Just want to check what's happening with it. Ah yeah, the pepper, I forgot to put the pepper. The pepper you can put anytime, you can put in the beginning, but you put in the beginning. You can put it together with the spices. So as the heart is like, I would say like 3/4 done or half done. We'll add the liver. At this point we can even add the tomatoes. So half tomatoes is what I'm using, half tomatoes that direct pieces, tomatoes, and I'm also using putting some bolognese sauce, but you can use any pasta sauce or even tomato paste. Just let it cook a little bit and then we'll get back to it. After we'll add some water, etc. I will leave it cook maybe like 3 minutes or so. Alright, this is how normally it looks. So this is a famous Gajack in Mauritius. We call Gajack for snacks that we use to drink with. We have like a snack, like meat or fried chicken or whatever. So this is a very special dish that we use at Gajack to drink with rum or whiskey. Very famous. We eat it with bread. But today I don't have bread. I'm gonna eat it with Lebanese bread. You can also eat it with rice. So now what's gonna happen is like as when you're happy with if the liver is cooked as per your taste, then it's done. You can add water if you think it's too dry. It's up to you. I'm gonna add some water and let it cook. Let it cook for like maybe 3 minutes or so. Add 1 cup of water. It's good to put some water like that. Then you have a little bit of sauce. But we will let it dry. Probably it's better to leave it uncovered so that it dries quicker. But like I said, as when the liver is cooked, then it's done. So now it's like kind of getting drier now. The water is drying up. So we're gonna have a last taste and see if we are happy with the amount of salt. Okay, I'm happy with the salt. Also, you can see if you want to add the chili now or not. Because if it's too spicy, don't add it. But if you want it spicier, you can just add it. I will add like this. It's quite spicy already. I will just add just one of it. Okay, just add it. And also now we can add the onions. Cook for another, let's say 2 minutes more, so the onions cook a little bit, and then we will add the coriander, and then that's it.